Ever noticed how easily people lie, even when there's nothing to gain? A friend says they're fine when they're breaking inside. A lover swears they're honest while hiding a second phone. Or maybe you tell someone you're almost there when you haven't even left home. But why do we do this? Why do we lie, even when no one asked us to? There's a strange beauty in lies. Not the kind that scams or steals, but the everyday kind. The little white lies, the polite smiles, the "I'm okay" that hides a storm. They're not just words, they're shields. You see, humans lie to protect three things: ego, identity, and love. We lie to protect who we want to be, not who we are. Lying is a survival reflex, dates back to evolution. In tribes, being rejected meant death. So our ancestors learned to hide flaws, exaggerate worth, and fabricate safety. In the modern world, that instinct never left. We still lie to stay in the tribe, to be accepted, loved, and safe. A study from the University of Massachusetts found that 60% of people can't go 10 minutes without lying. Not because they're malicious, but because truth makes us vulnerable. Lying, paradoxically, makes us feel safe. In a world that punishes honesty, every lie is a negotiation between pain and peace. MRI scans show that the amygdala, the fear center, reacts strongly to the first lie, but grows quieter with every new one. In other words, the more we lie, the easier it gets, until one day the line between truth and fiction disappears. And here's the irony: the better you are at reading emotions, the more likely you are to lie. Empaths often lie more to avoid hurting others. It's compassion twisting into deception. So when someone lies and says, "It's fine," what they really mean is, "I don't think you can handle my truth." And that's the dark paradox. Lies that start to protect love end up killing it. That's when love turns toxic, when manipulation wears the mask of care, and chaos feels like passion. That's when we mistake poison for affection. And in the next story, we'll uncover exactly why. Why people crave what hurts them. Why pain feels like connection, and why some hearts only feel alive when they're breaking. That's the psychology of why people love toxic relationships. If this made you question your own truth, comment what you want next, and don't forget to save and share this reel with future thinkers.